A home with a view is a sought-after luxury. However, in Fong versus Hashimoto, we'll explore what requirements must be met to restrict neighbors' actions to ensure that a view is maintained. Edward Fogarty owned a large tract of property in Hawaii with views of the ocean and mountains. He later subdivided his land into 15 lots. One of these lots was purchased by the Fongs and another by the Hashimotos. The Hashimoto's lot was on the ocean side of the road and faced the Fongs' lot, which was on the same side of the road as the mountains. The Hashimoto's deed contained a restrictive covenant preventing them from building anything higher than a one-story structure. The only other lots with such a restriction were the two lots adjacent to the Hashimoto's lot. Although the deed for the other similarly situated oceanside lot and the Fong's deed contained a restriction regarding the placement of structures, there wasn't a height restriction. Despite the covenant, the Hashimotos began constructing a two-story home. The Fongs sued the Hashimotos in a Hawaiian circuit court, arguing that the building would violate the covenant and that the structure would severely interfere with the Fongs' view. The circuit court issued a temporary restraining order to prevent further construction until the dispute could be resolved. The judge explained that because Fogarty sold the lot to the Fongs before the lot to the Hashimotos, he didn't have an interest in the Fongs' property when he sold it to the Hashimotos, so he couldn't burden the Hashimotos to benefit land he no longer owned. The circuit judge ruled for the Hashimotos and dissolved the temporary restraining order. The Fongs appealed to the Hawaii Intermediate Court of Appeals, which held that because there was a common plan for the lots, the Fongs could enforce the height restriction as an equitable servitude. The Hashimotos appealed to the Hawaii Supreme Court and moved to dismiss the complaint.